Hi guys, so I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be playing a game on my phone called Monster Truck Distraction, aka MTD. So I'm playing it for making a video. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, I'm on. For some reason, I can't get to level. I can't get into level 27. It's like a weird glitch or something. But this is level 22. I like this level. I just got overtime. Get extra time. I got extra time. And I see the truck. And just get some pretty good air right there. Okay, I have 7 seconds left. Sorry for like the noise in the background, just my little brother right now. Okay, I'm gonna check that truck right now. I'm doing freestyle, by the way. This will be becoming a series now for my channel for YouTube. I'm sorry for all the loud noises. Just my little brother. This new stereo system. I'm sorry about all that noise. But as I was saying, this will be coming a series for I don't know how long, but we'll be coming a series on my channel. This is letting you guys know become a series for my brand new series. And if you guys cannot hear this, let me know in the comments down below, so I can know to adjust so I can know how to fix my microphone or something. Okay. Okay, I already got over 1 million points. So I might be able to upgrade my truck soon. This is one truck I just got yesterday or something. Yesterday or 2 days ago. Okay, I got first, and I upgraded my truck. And upgrade my shocks. Upgrade that too. We're gonna do another exhaust upgrade. Just make sure it's still recording. Oh, you might hear my TV right now. I'm watching popular MMOs. Oh, and if you're one of my subscribers, if you don't know who popular MMOs are or who they are, look up on YouTube. Their name is on YouTube channels. YouTube channels are Popular MMOs and Gaming with Jen. Make sure to go subscribe to them because they're Minecrafters. If you don't like Minecraft, you don't subscribe to them. I'm sending it because they're one of my favorite YouTubers around. And they have almost 15 million subscribers. And I bet they'll love you guys for subscribing to them. So if you're not subscribed to them, go subscribe to them. I know they'll love you guys subscribing to them. They make 2 videos a night, so... And they're so funny, Pat and Jen. Their names are Pat and Jen. They really want to reach the last subscriber, so just subscribe and make sure to subscribe to me too. I know I'm gonna be going to Monster Jam May 5th. I already know that for sure. In Philadelphia, in Lincoln Financial Stadium, for the Eagles, their Eagles home stadium. Okay. If you want to get tickets for Monster Jam, wherever you want to go. If you don't know what Monster Jam is, look up type it in Google or Safari. Look up monsterjam.com. They're big 12,000-pound trucks, 12 feet tall, and they're very popular now. And you can give a pit party, get VIP pass now. And if you want to see Tom Menz, he will not be in Philadelphia this year. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna go to Philadelphia this year for Monster Jam. So, and tell me, you can choose 1 through 26. Anyone in the levels down in the comments, I'll do next time. So, this is gonna be the end of my video. So, bye guys.